Good morning, students. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I'm your maths teacher. We are doing block 9, and block 9 is related to our circles. Related to our circles. Everybody know what is the circle? Round and round, round and round. That is circle. We know about circle. We can see circle in our daily life also, like tire of cycle, bicycle. Okay, that are circle. And in circle we have some features. In circle we have some features. Today we will learn about some features of our circle. First of all, if we making a circle, in circle we have a point, a center mark. This one is point, center of our circle. Center of our circle, that called point. Called point or center of our circle. Circle is a shape which don't have open area or open side. Circle always will be in closed figure. That means it will be closed from all sides. It will be closed from all sides. In this we have radius. In this we have radius. What is the meaning of radius? Distance from the center. From the center. This one is center. This one is center. Now distance from the center to edge of circle. This one is edge. This part is edge of our circle. So the area from center to edge called radius. If we see from this one is center and this one is edge. Center to edge distance will called radius. And from any side if we draw a radius, that will be equal to another radius. That means all radius of our circle will be same, always will be same. Next we have diameter. Diameter, what is this? Longest chord of a circle. Longest chord, that means double of radius also called diameter. Double of radius that called diameter. How we can say double of radius? From center to edge, this one is one radius, and this center to is second radius. That means double of radius is called diameter. Next we have chord. A line segment joint any 2 point on the edge of circle. Any 2 point, that called chord. 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 From one point to next point of edge of circle. This one is edge. If we draw a chord one more, so from one edge to another edge will meet, that called chord. Okay. So this was our features of our circle. This was our features of circle. Next we have circumference. Let's see what is this. Circumference. What is the meaning of circumference? Outer part of our circle, outer part or distance around our circle is called circumference. 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 The distance around our circle called circumference. This one is our circle. Blue line is our circle. This one. And outer part or around of our circle will called circumference. This one is circumference. And the value of circumference, how can we find out? If we multiply by 3 to diameter. diameter. If we multiply by 3 to diameter, the value of circumference will come. The value of circumference will come. What is the diameter? We already understand. What is the diameter? Double of radius, that called diameter. Double of radius, that called diameter, or longest chord of a circle. This one is longest chord. If we draw this, these are chord, and longest chord will called diameter. We can see in two type: diameter, the double of radius called diameter, and longest chord also called diameter. Okay, so if we multiply by 3 to diameter, we got circumference. We got circumference. Next point in this circle, we have compass. We have compass because we always draw with help of compass a circle. This one is our compass. This one is our compass. And with the help of this, we always, yes, what? We always make a circle. Okay, I will tell you how we draw a circle with the help of compass and use of this. We have this one compass. First of all, we will open this. Okay, and insert our pencil and put it at a point and close it. Okay, and these points should be equal. These points should be equal, and draw a circle. Draw a circle. Let's see. Put this one and move it slowly. Move it slowly. If you will do practice, you can make easily this circle with help of compass. This one is circle. And if we see carefully, you can't see in this video. If you will see, we have a point with the sharpness of this compass. This point is called center. This point is called center. Okay students, so this was our video about circle and features of circles. I hope you all are understand about this topic.